You ever get the feeling your phone's hiding something brilliant under the surface, like a genius in disguise just waiting to be unlocked? Well, hold that thought, because what's coming next with the Pixel 10 might just be Google's most low-key revolution yet. Not in-your-face flashy, no wild redesigns, but packed with smarter upgrades that actually matter and might just change how we think about daily smartphone use. Welcome back, viewers. Sam here. Don't forget to share this video, and subscribe to the channel if you want more insider tech deep dives just like this one. Alright, let's start with a feature you probably use more than anything else without even realizing it: video stabilization. Remember when your Pixel 2 first introduced Fuse video stabilization and it felt like cinematic magic in your pocket? Yeah, well, Google's finally back in the lab for round 2, and this time it's all software muscle. Leaks suggest the Pixel stabilization is getting a crazy upgrade, one that might actually rival DJI's gimbal tech without needing a gimbal at all. Think buttery, smooth videos whether you're chasing your dog in the park or filming your buddy's wild skateboard trick. Here's where it gets spicier. The new system reportedly blends footage from both the main and ultra-wide cameras, stabilizing them in real time to eliminate that handheld wobble. No new sensors, no hardware tricks. Just brilliant software and the sheer power of the new Tensor Z5 chip. Speaking of chips, Google's cooking up something truly wild under the hood. Say goodbye to Samsung's Exynos roots and hello to a fresh design manufactured by TSMC. But the real twist, Google's switching from ARM CPU cores to Imagination Technologies. Yeah, that's the company behind graphics and older iPhones. The result: better battery life, lower heat, and ray tracing support for the first time ever on a Pixel. That's console-level visual effects on your phone. But the Z5 isn't just about power, it's the brain behind everything. From speeding up the ultrasonic fingerprint scanners, finally faster unlocks with wet fingers, to making Face Unlock reliable enough that even your banking app starts trusting it. It's one of those behind-the-scenes upgrades that changes everything without you realizing it. And here comes the plot twist: video quality is now powered by Google's own custom ISP. No more Samsung processing. That means sharper dynamic range, better HDR, and photos that feel more natural and less artificially sharpened. Oh, and they're adding something called telemacro photography. Close-ups with that crispy telephoto zoom. Perfect for capturing the details on a flower petal, the grooves in a coin, or the sparkle in someone's eye without even moving an inch. Design-wise, things get even sneakier. From a distance, the Pixel 10 might look like a Pixel 9 Pro clone. But case leaks already exposed a bigger camera bar that breaks compatibility with old cases, meaning something important shifted inside. The bottom speaker cutout is now split into two, the SEM trays moved to the top, and the antenna lines repositioned. It's like Google remodeled the whole internal layout while keeping the exterior familiar. Smart move. And here's a fun twist for the fashion-focused colors. Pixel's dropping some classic shades and bringing in a fresh palette. The base Pixel 10 comes in Ultra Blue, Lamello Iris, and Midnight. Meanwhile, the Pro and Pro XL flaunt Sterling Gray, Light Porcelain Midnight, and a surprisingly chill Smoky Green. The Fold model keeps it minimal with just Smoky Green and Sterling Gray. Rip Obsidian, your moody vibes will be missed. But wait, Google's not just playing with hardware. Enter Magic Q. It's like your phone's new best friend that actually reads the room. If you're chatting about travel, it pulls up your flight info. If you're texting about dinner, it checks your calendar. It's AI that feels helpful, not creepy. And it all happens in a secure, isolated environment. Basically, the assistant you always wanted, but smarter and more private. Want more reasons this phone is quietly awesome? Try Qi2 wireless charging at 50W or even up to 23W depending on your dock. Want to stop your phone from turning into a pocket heater? The new MediaTek modem keeps things cooler, extends battery life, and still manages excellent 5G speeds. And those fast UFS 4.0 storage upgrades: Hello Lightning, fast app launches, and smoother multitasking. Oh, and let's not forget Android 16 is launching alongside the Pixel 10 family. We're getting Material U3, more expressive themes, even better accessibility, and new AI-based customization tools. Picture an OS that adapts not just to your wallpaper, but your habits, your favorite widgets, even your mood. The best part: price are rumored to stay the same, $799 for the regular Pixel 10 to $999 for the Pro and $1099 for the Big Boy XL. And the Pixel 10 Fold is reportedly making a grand comeback too, likely at a premium but with all the Pro perks in a foldable form. And you know what? This all comes together on August 20th. Mark your calendar. Google's lining up not one, not two, but 4 big Pixel 10 drops at once: Pixel 10 Pro, Pixel 10 Pro XL, and Pixel 10 Fold. It's going to be a tech fest. Expect Google to double down on AI, camera software, and Pixel-exclusive features that might finally give it the edge against Apple and Samsung this fall. What makes the Pixel 10 different this time isn't one big leap. It's all the little leaps working together. Smoother fingerprint scans, more stable videos, intelligent AI that doesn't feel invasive, all wrapped in a familiar-looking phone that's had a complete brain transplant under the hood. So what do you think? Is this Google's most underestimated Pixel launch yet? Are the subtle upgrades enough to tempt you, or are you holding out for something bolder? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I read all of them, and I love hearing what the real tech community thinks. Until next time, stay curious, stay geeky, and if you haven't already, smash that subscribe button so you don't miss what's coming next.